Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Did anyone see? Was this a real tick down here, guys? We spiked exactly down to the 200 EMA and went up 6 points. Got a little news bleep or something? I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, we got news coming out at 8:30, retail sales. So we're not going to have any orders out till after that. Anyone here that see that? Was that real? Looks like it was. Yowza. That's wackadoodle. Gold is ripping this morning. We got a little level of 47.38, but we got news coming out in a couple minutes. So let's take a chill pill on that. Relax. Not going to do anything. Retail sales at 8:30, and then 10 o'clock we got consumer confidence. Two numbers that could move the markets. So we'll take a little chill pill. I'm looking for a swing trade short in SNDU if we get up to 25.50. See if that sets up. I'm tempted to do this gold at 38.50 if we do it on this pop up, but we got news coming out in 2 minutes. In actually 10 minutes, but if you want to try that risk on, I think it probably works for a point or two if we spike up to 38.50. Do a little dance. I'll put one out if we go there real fast. Let's pop up. Could be newsy, so let's just take it easy. Actually, I'm only going to do it in my evals. 38.50 if we get there. On this pop. Otherwise, we'll cancel it. Take a little chill pill. Everything else will take a chill pill. Good morning, fashionista. So I do have one out in eval at 38.50 if we get there in gold on this pop up. We'll see what happens from there. So 8:30, we'll definitely won't have any orders out. Yeah, we just take a chill pill on Friday. It's been a good week. Yesterday was not a great day, but we ended up coming back nicely. We had a couple of losers to start the day, and then we had 4 winners in a row. Same thing happened in slow markets last night. Wackadoodle. A couple of losers, and then we ended up doing very well. All right, let's see if we get to 38.50 on this pop. Get down tonight. Ooh, get down tonight. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Over an 80 RSI in gold now also. So we'll chill. See if we get it on this pop, guys and girls. It's now or never for 38.50. Otherwise, we take a chill pill and relax. Hi, David. Hope you are well. Long time no visit. Been a great journey since the course. Would like to say a huge thank you. Wow. We appreciate that. I just started at SNDU, and I'm looking to really start if we get up to 25.50. That's my spot. 25.50. Nah, you stink. I don't like this little red bar, guys. So I'm going to take a chill pill. Relax. We want to be long gold. That's the bottom line if we can get a pullback. And we got news coming out in 5 minutes. So don't leave any orders out in anything. Just take a chill pill. Let's wait till after the news comes out before we do anything. Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Woo! Get down tonight. ES is kind of sitting in the middle of nowhere's land. No one put any orders out in that. And relax, don't do it. What is this coming out at 8:30? I don't even remember now. Do a little dance, make a little love. Oh, retail sales. Yeah, that could affect the markets. Again, take it easy Friday. I'm on evals all day today. That's usually what I do on Fridays. Net, it's been a good week. So we relax. Thoughts on boxing the upcoming news in ES? Yeah, you could try it. I mean, I think 10 o'clock's a bigger number, quite frankly, than this one, but who the hell knows? I don't know. We'll see what happens. Nothing until after this news comes out. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Might be worth a shot to box it. But like I said, the 10 o'clock number is bigger. But you're working with, I mean, we have a 2 ATR, guys and girls. 2. So, I mean, that's conducive to boxing. It would be like, what time is it? I don't know. I would probably go like 24 and 28 if this stays right in this little range here. But like I said, I think the 10 o'clock news is bigger. We'll see. You know, when we box something too, guys, Scotty brought up this point yesterday. You don't have to stay in it to try to make the $3,000. So a lot of times what I'll do is if I'm doing 10 ESs, you know, it starts going in my direction. I'll sell 2, bring my stop up to break even. So you can't lose money on the trade. Now, the problem now is this bar is the entire ATR, right? So you still could be, I don't know, 25, 28. Problem is, if it gets over 28, it's already going to screw things up, which it is right now. So I would say no trade. This bar is too big. Too big, I say. Gold off the pivot point. Did you get it? 38. Yeah, spike up, spike down. Chill pill. ES, what do we got? Let's put out 38 in ES. I like that. MES, whatever it is. 38 is our previous day high. I'm down with that. And we like 22 on the buy side if we spike down 7 points. Put both of those out. 78.22. Chaka-laka-laka. All right, chill it out. Do a little dance, take a little chill pill. Relax. Gold's getting to a far from moving average trade up here. Spike up, spike down. Nothing to do. Bit down tonight. Ooh, down tonight. All right, I think gold until 10 o'clock. We want to have some bids out, right? 15 EMA is 26, and we just went to 44. Let's do that. 26, down 13 points. For 26. It's better than not do anything, yes, unless we get an ATR of at least 4 or 5 in the ESs. We're stretching up a bit now. Definitely like 38. This market's never going down again, by the way, guys and girls. Ever. All-time high after all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. Anyone got any fibs to short gold? Let's see where we are. Daily, weekly. Yeah, we're blasted above everything. Cleared everything, daily, weekly, and monthly. Oh, we got 44.77 if we go in that direction. That we like for sure. No. That might be all the action we get for the whole day. Half the room is gone today. Oh, we have our webinar next Wednesday, guys. Go register. It doesn't cost anything. It's our monthly webinar. We give away some Apex accounts, yada, yada, yada. Wednesday at 8 p.m. And we've extended our sale on our ultimate course through the end of the month. So actually, we're going to leave it up till Labor Day. That is options, stocks, futures, risk management, boot camp, everything you could ever dream of, Wall Street Global Trading Academy wise. I love the webinars. Looking forward to the options course. Yeah, we got a lot done on Wednesday night. We did a lot of filming for the options course. Morning, Dane. And Sunday night, we're getting together with the Vanquish itself, and we're going to film a bunch more. We got probably 2 or 3 more filming sessions, and then editing, and it'll be ready to rock and roll. That's going to be great. Day trading futures, day trading options. Can't wait. It's just going to be another tool in the tool belt. Yep. All right, we settled into absolute garbage per Summer Friday. But 10 o'clock, we got news. 10 o'clock, you can definitely try boxing. I'll do that in one of my Apex accounts. And one of my, you know what, eval accounts. Well, that's it. We'll leave these orders. It's only 8:36. Mamma mia. All right. We got 27 in gold, and then we got 21. So let's take a chill. Let's go back to 21. Let it come in 14 points. I'm not in a hurry in this thing. We'll call it 22. That is our 30 EMA. 21. Now, if we spike down quickly to 27, I will do it in an eval. It's down 8 points from here, and it's the trend. So do a little dance. Get down tonight. Woo! Get down tonight. Done for the day, thanks to the Wall Street Global slow markets and pre-market paid enough banana skins. Boom, shaka, laka, laka. Nice job, Roman. Love it, love it, love it. So Roman's got the rest of his weekend now, and it's 8:37. Roman, share what trades you did. Did you do gold? What did you do? Talk to me, Goose. Tell me what technically you did that set up. You can share it with everybody. Morning, Jacqueline. Morning, Kelvin. All these chip stocks, ever since Michael Burry just shorted them, he is getting his butt kicked in. Looking to short SpaceX if we get around the 150 level. SanDisk. Morning, Dons. This is really day 2. Where are we? 1600. So yesterday was 16. What was the high? I was 1580. Now we're at 1620. So we're up here. This is day 2. If we get another day out of that, I'll look to start really shorting this SNDU. Those of you who were with us for our swing trade in SpaceX know we were long about $106. I'm looking at about 153 to start shorting that. That is our 200 EMA on a daily. And we'll do the SPCU. So a couple swing trades I have in mind. Those will all get tweeted out. Not financial advice. Everybody pushes their own buttons, yada, 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 yada. But if you're part of our family, you get the Twitter sphere, the swing trades and options trades. And gold pulling back a little bit. Again, 2750 is the 15 EMA. I have that order out in my eval accounts, okay? Just so you know. I don't like trading that in my real account. Too risky. But 2750 trend. And then we got 21. 22. So I'm leaving the 22 out. But if we get to 2750 in short order, I will be making a trade. Small. All right, what else we got, guys and girls? Where are the spiders? Spider, spider, spider. Dance that drink over here. All-time high after all-time high after all-time high. Big, big bull flag. Broke above all that. Boom. I mean, if these things good, I don't see how we don't get to 7,800. Just as a round number. I mean, 800. Just as a round number. It's only up 20 points from here. And, you know, we're a little bit on the stretch side on a daily chart. Weekly, we're getting a little stretched historically. If we look here, we got to about a 72 RSI on a weekly chart, and we pulled back. Now we're about 68, so not that stretched yet on a weekly. But we're definitely slightly overbought. Gold coming in, just hit the 9 EMA, 31. Let's see if we can get a spiker down in the 27. Again, I'm doing that in an eval. Real order is 22 for everybody else. I like 27 if we can get there on this pop down. Obviously, as we get closer to the opening, we cancel everything and just take a choke pill. Choke pill, choke pill, choke pill. See how we did get a far from moving average trade in gold. The second one took a little longer, but I'd love to see a spike down to 22 to 30 EMA. That would be spectaculicious. But we're probably going to bounce around this 15 EMA here. 9 EMA. I won't like the 15 EMA unless it goes down there very quickly, like in the next 2.5 minutes by 8:45. Morning, Willow. In the groove, wow. So I'm waiting for this 5-minute bar to close. And if it doesn't hit on that 5-minute bar, I will go down to 22 in my evals. You know, if you could have withstood the pivot point, let's see, what was that? 38, 39. Problem was it went 5 points above it, which was the exact ATR. So probably would have got stopped out. Give this another minute and a half. And gold is always risk on, guys and girls. So that's why I'm in evals today. Morning, good morning, good morning. In the groove, wow. All right, so now I don't like 27 anymore. We'll leave the 22 out. If we got that little bounce, if we would have got right there and we got to what, 29, we would have had the same bounce for a couple of points already. So we'd be patient, wait till 22. That's the name of that tune. All right, let's take a little chill. I'm going to fill up my coffee. Anybody sees anything else, got anything else they want to talk about, pop it up there. Where are the ESs? Nowhere's land. He's a real nowhere man, living in his nowhere land, making lots of nowhere plans for nobody. All right, back in fiber. Hey, Hill, send that email to me, and I will make sure Roman gets it. In case he didn't. All right. Chaka-laka-laka. What's gold doing? Nothing. Never even got to 27. Want. What did it get to? 27.80. Remember, guys and girls, we got news coming out at 10 o'clock. So we'll take a chill pill around then. No women, please listen. Not expecting much out of today. We should get a little bop off the 10 o'clock. Consumer confidence, maybe we'll box that in a couple of evals. But other than that, it is a summer Friday. Summer breeze, it makes me feel fine. Knowing you in your mind. Pum, 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 pum. Yes, thank you.
Did you go out this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got cigarettes or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Easy listening Friday. We'll do a little yacht rock this morning. Little Seals and Croft coming at you. Summer breeze, it makes me feel fine. What else is going on, guys and girls? Nothing. After we open, maybe we'll do a little options play. Oh, it's only 8:51. Jeez Louise. Yowza. No, 401ks are all healthy. Got wood. You better knock on wood. So my only swings that are on my radar are SpaceX if we get to like 150 and change. SNDU if we get to 2550. And that one. What else? Not much else. Micron I'll look at some point. Let me look at Micron. Where are we? 982. Again, this is day 2. So Monday, if these things spike up again, it'll be a time to do a little shorty warties in some of these ETFs. And this we traded yesterday a little bit and did okay. We had some QQQ options yesterday. When we made these highs up at the pivot point. 733, we bought like a 732, a 731, and a 730 put. All the way down there. So that was a decent trade. No, it was here, 10 o'clock in the morning. We made these highs at the pivot point, and it went down 5 points. So that was a good options trade. We'll keep our eyes on that one again today. Past one eval and up 800 on a second. Have an offer out at 33.50 in the ESs. Nice job, Roman. All right, I'm chilling. Chill a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Woo! So that's just an example, guys, for everybody who's joining us. People who have been through our course. Roman's crushing it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Loving an elevator. Ba, 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 ba.
Did the bank yesterday.
Bum, 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 bum. Deadsville, guys and girls. So again, 10 o'clock, we might get something. Otherwise, she'll pull it out. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. No wind in my mind. Anyone got anything else they want to talk about? We'll be out of here by 11 o'clock today. Volume's already dying out. Uh, not really, Maria. Not really. Gold hit our pivot point, but it went a little bit above it. Really nothing in the ESs. We hit our VWAP down here, but not in honeys. All right, let's get to this question. Dave, I have a question about the risk management based on ATR. Do we always take 2-3 points as on a cheat sheet, or do we follow risk management because sometimes the first target is more? It all depends on the ATR. Okay. It all depends on the ATR. I can tell you right now, we have an ATR of 2. It's not even worth trading because I want a 10-point move before I get into any kind of trade. So with a 2 ATR, I'm not trading. That's number one. Number two, if we have a 5 ATR, we still want at least a 10-point move. So if we have a 5 ATR and we get that 10-point move, I'm taking first one off for a point or a point and a half, and then shoot. Once I take my first one off, okay, quickly, I'm going to raise my stop so I can't lose money, and then I'll try to get half the ATR on the second part of my trade. And this is all, in the course, but it all depends on the ATR. Okay. I said, with a 2 ATR, I'm not trading at all. At all. All right, you got it, Rod? So whatever the ATR is, and again, I don't care what the ATR is, if it's 10, I'm still going to take one off pretty quickly. Okay. Still going to take one off pretty quickly. Raise my stop so I can't lose money. And this is something that you have to journal and see what your hit rate is based on if you take one for 1 point and 2 points and let the second one go or the third one go. I want at least a 5 ATR before I consider trading at all. Right? So, we're looking right now. We have a 2 ATR, and where we're offering is up 6 points. That's 3 times the ATR. That's good. No, I'll use the ATR for stocks also and options. It's whatever we trade, we can use the ATR for. Yeah, I don't mind that. So think about it, private. If we have a 10 ATR, take one off at 2 points. Yes. If we have a 5 ATR and it moves 10 points, take one off at a point and a half or 2 points. Yes. So that's a good first profit target. But once you get that first profit target, raise your stop so you can't lose money. That's mega, mega important. That makes sense to everybody? We want to put some money in the bank right away and protect the trade so we can't lose money. I don't care if I break even on some trades. But minimum of 5 before I'm interested in thinking about trading. Think about it, guys. With a 2 ATR, what am I going to make? A half a point? A point at best? Right? And this will get bigger as, when we open. I'm sure, but, at least 5. Summer breeze, that makes me feel fine. That's what Scotty just said. That's the mega important thing. That is the mega. No, that gold's getting a little smackdown here. Let's see if we still like our 22. I like it on this pop, guys. And we'll just cancel everything for the opening. Summer breeze, that makes me feel fine. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, you stink, gold. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. In my opinion, there is no rule that is one size fits all when it comes to trimming and moving. That is true, Matt. Yeah, exactly. You got to find out. We had a big conversation. Scotty had a big conversation last night in slow markets about this. You got to find out what works for you. If it's taking a point off right away, some people are waiting too long. They're trying to get 3 points on their first take profits. So, you know, you got to find what works for you. Usually on any trade that I'm in, if I get a point and a half or 2 points, I'm taking some profits immediately. I don't care what the ATR is. Is John C. Hull's book a good book to start trading futures? I don't know, but I can tell you our course is the best training to start trading futures. But the book's a lot cheaper. So if it works for you, that's great. If all you want is futures, guys, the course is only $300 with payment plan, and you get everything included in it. So, although that's silly not to pay $4.99 and get options, stocks, futures, boot camps, all that stuff. It's only an extra $200. It's like $50 a month. What up, Bull? Oh, nice bounce off the trend. Couldn't get that to our level. Never even got to 27. Let's see, David, on your videos, I saw you enter on technicals and exit on technicals. Has that changed to exits based? Yes, billion%. It's all based on ATR now. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I would do the double top and gold. Absolutely. Again, we're getting close to the opening, and I'm not going to leave anything out for the opening. We'll just take a chill pill. That's it. That's the whole ball game. What Scotty just said right there, guys. We're not feeding you a fish. We're trying to teach you how to fish. That is the bottom line. That is the bottom line. Scotty's text is going over to YouTube. He's posted it in YouTube. Where's the love? He gave you an hour lesson on it last night in slow markets. An hour left. Scotty, you have anything coming up?
No, not the moment. I mean, I've got a little bit of demand for some stuff, and I know people are trying to get into risk management ATMs, but we'll be doing them in a month or so.
All right. When you're ready, let me know, and then we'll tell everybody about it.
Options, baby. We got to get the options done
I know.
first.
We got to get moved. We got to get that done. We'll do a crap load on Sunday night.
Yes, sir.
Got to get it done. You know, it's not even just the course, guys and girls. It's what you get with it that nobody else in the world is giving you. Should my Apex be fully evaluated? No. I mean, I want you to have some eval accounts for boot camp, but they don't have to be PA accounts. Happy birthday, Jimbo. Boom, shakalaka laka. Gold spiking up again. Wackadoodle. I do like a double top and gold if we do it before the opening. Yeah, I like that, Scotty. Don't trade, and you'll have a happy birthday. You'll have a happy birthday anyway. All right, let's put the double top out in gold for a couple minutes. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm going all fours. No pun intended. Oh. Now we can cancel the 22. That ain't happening. I'm about to start a small little swing trade in SNDU if we get to 25.50. I'm not even tweeting that out though. Follow, don't follow, because I think Sanders can have another day up, but I'm going to start marking it at 25.50. Small. ES are completely dead. I'm tempted to leave those out for the opening in ES. Yeah, we're going to leave those out in the opening. Up 10 points and down 16 points. We leave. Do I have that mark pre-market? Let me see. $10 o'clock could be boxable, guys, because I'm going to try it in one of my evals. Consumer confidence numbers usually can move the markets. Oil short on the 200. I dig it if it happens fast. We got a 22 ATR. That's up 35 cents from here. That works for me. Again, we're getting a little closer to the opening, but I like it before the opening. We'll leave the MESs for the opening. That's a big move. On a 2 ATR, it has to move 10, 12 points to hit either of us. So we'll leave that. Take a chill pill. Gold will cancel if we don't get near that, but time the market opens. All right, just using a little boys room, back in 2x2. All right, ladies and gents, gonna cancel the buy side. I'm not crazy about it. It's only down 4 points now. We'll leave the sell side out. Let's just take a chill pill. Relax, don't do it. Adding pivot points to my chart trading you just make the whole chart become too small and compressed to see regardless of the time frame. That's a little setting in there that you gotta adjust. Autofill includes studies. Don't auto size your chart. There you go. Boom, chakalaka. A boom, chakalaka, boom, chakalaka. Makes me feel fun. Remind me somebody cancel our orders by 10 o'clock. 9:55. Let's see if we get a double top in this goal before the opening. Give it this pop up. A few minutes. I would recommend if you can use Thinkorswim, then learn it. It's better charting platform. Yes, I agree. I wholeheartedly agree. All right, anybody looking at anything else besides what we have out there? Anything they want to put out? I like the 38. It's up 10 points. That's good. About gold. We like 16. Let's put that out on a buy side, guys. It's down $21. 44.16. Again, we'll cancel everything at 10 o'clock. About 9:55. Down with that, Bull. We try to make it as simple as possible. Just takes time to learn. None of it's that difficult. Hardest part of what we do is in our head. That's the bottom line. And it ain't even close. All right, let me see some stocks. What are we doing? Microsoft flat, MU's up $28, NVIDIA nothing, SanDisk, nothing that I care about. SpaceX, no. Spiders, no. Scotty, I'll look to buy some puts again and for options if we spike up on the opening.
Maria, hold your options.
I didn't hold them yesterday either. I think I made like $60. I probably would have made 300-400, no? Because I had the 70, I had the 33s, the 32s, and the 31s.
Yeah, as long as you timed the exit, it came back and was doing very well.
Yeah.
And then by end of day, it would have went back down, but
Correct.
you'd have got the top, sure.
Summer breeze makes you feel fine. All right, are we back to like in 22? No, it's only 6 points. Don't like it. Tesla flying. Tesla had to clear that 339, and the target became 350. And we just got the 346 pivot point and backed up $2. Look at that. Amazing. Even when news comes out, the technicals work sometimes, not all the time. Yeah, if we go to the daily chart in Tesla, next level is 347.70. And I think we just hit that. Almost. So we clear 347 in Tesla. We got room to like 370. Well, actually, 355. So 347, 355, 370.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Hey,
Tuchman.
how are you? Sorry about that. Sorry for the delay. I had to go there.
It's all right. You got 5 minutes. Go.
Go. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. So anyway, look, market's up 5 handles. There's really nothing really going on here. Good morning, Jacqueline. It's all good. I just checked the numbers. It's $48 million to buy. So there's nothing there. There's not, you should just focus on whether there's an opening breakout trade right now. I'm sure David's going through that. Welcome to Wall Street Global Trading Academy YouTube channel on a Friday morning. You know, having somebody to hold your hand on a Friday morning is, you know, sort of understanding and digesting economic data. We've had data come in the last couple of days that has been just right in line. So there's nothing there to really, you know, to move the market right now. The market is sort of trying to figure out its footing around what's going on in the Middle East, stuff like that. But there's really nothing happening right now. So
It's amazing.
Anna, we'll talk later. Yes. So anyway, well, I'm really Jesus, cancel GC for now. I see David's down here. So anyway, that's the bottom line. We've actually had an okay week. Markets are trading. I'm sort of quiet because I'm right off the trading floor. Okay, so we just went up to about 65 million to buy on the opening bell. That's the notional dollar value of all the order flow that comes into the NYSE for the opening. Still insignificant. We need numbers in the hundreds of millions to actually to get into a trade, right? Based on that kind of information. So we're not sitting here trying to force a trade. David will probably explain that to you in a much better way, right? Obviously, follow David's directions, right? You want to get into a trade for all the right reasons, price action, technical analysis. So those are the reasons. Have a stop order. Look at the opening order breakout. That's one of our favorite trades that Wall Street Global is doing it. Look, guys, we're coming out with an option course. Look forward to that. We have a futures course. We have a course right now that's on sale. It's basically all of our courses all together, right, for $499. I beg you to give that. If you want to learn to trade and be part of this family, that's your shot. This is what we're doing. It's not going to be on sale forever. So come and join us. Right now, there's not that much going on for the opening. Don't force trades that don't set up. Thank you. It was somebody, what do you, I can't see what's the chat. What is the chat? Yes, there is, but please in the video, we're keeping that under wraps for the moment. Anyway, I appreciate you all, and I'm going to pass it back to Dave going for the opening bell. I'll keep you up. I'll come and talk to you after the open. Cheers, guys.
All right, ladies and gents, get ready to rock and roll. We built this city. Morning, Adolfo. I think gold just missed the double top, so let's take a chill pill there. Got to 43.90. Missed it by 10 cents. Wah, wah, wah. I get misty over you. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Look at that, guys. Would have got 2 points out of it, right? 44 down to 42. Wah, wah, wah. Spill the wine, dig that girl. Spill the wine, dig that girl. You can try whatever you want. I mean, gold will probably have a move off the opening. But 10 o'clock, I'll try when we get the consumer confidence in the ESs. ES and NQ are not in sync. Let's look. ES is flat.
Yeah, you had that up move on ES while NQ's going down. How often do you see that?
Yeah. Well, that's because they're taking a little profits in some of these chip stocks.
Bipolar.
If the QQQs get around 735, I'm interested. Do something. But again, I'm not in a hurry to do anything today, quite frankly.
And you said you're getting on the long puts on you, like yesterday.
Yeah. Spill the wine, dig that girl. Anyone have anything else out besides what we have out? We're all just taking a chill pill. Chill pill. Yep. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-la-la-da-la. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-la-la-da-la. I want you tonight. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. If I was going to box anything, it would be gold. But sometimes it's a little spready and it's tough to do. 10 o'clock, we'll give it a shot. Yeah. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-la-la-da-la. One minute to Wapna. Stand. Someone remind me, I'm sure Trin will, but we got news at 10 o'clock in case I forget for some reason. They're off. Anyone like the MESs at 20 for a little trade? I don't know. Let's let things settle in a little bit. 09 pivot point. Definitely 09 pivot point. I mean, if it hit 20 fast, I bet you would have worked for a trade. Where's my orb? Oh, that's why. Good morning, Elijah. 1550? You have an MES? Anyone have a fib around 1550? I like that. Surge has something at 1550. Let's put it out small. I like it. Didn't hit 22. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. You left it out. Good for you. Good for you. Well, we certainly like 38. And we like 1550. I think we can cancel the buy side of gold. We got any sell side in gold? No. Wow, this SNDU got pounded on the opening. Jesus, it's not $1 from where we shorted it. Wah, wah, wah. Just because Sanders went down like $50. All right. Summertime and the trading ain't easy. Maybe we could look for a break in gold. Either way, if we stay in this nice tight range in a couple of minutes. We have a Fibonacci down there, so we ain't getting there anyway. And the orb's not even set up yet in anything. Another minute. Don't worry about it. We ain't going in that direction. Tell you what, though, in gold, let's get an early trend out. 37. Now let's go to previous week high 33 in gold. I like that. 33. Actually, we're going to go early trend 38 on 12 points. Gold looks like it wants to go higher. Early trend in gold. ESs are dead. All the actions in gold. Now look at SanDisk. It's good short this morning. Holy crap. Went down 100 points. Went down 100 points and hit the bottom of the orb. That's whack. Tesla. Nice 346. I got nothing to do in options either, Scotty. We're just dead. Anyone else have that 1550? Because I like it. Just broke the bottom of the orb in the ESs. Bum, bum, bum. 1550, this pop. Maria, you got 1450. Let's go in the middle. 15. You just got a couple of points from the break of the orb. If anybody did that. Couple quick points. All right, we're going to short the top of the orb now, 28. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. 28 and 15, hike. Gold, no pullback. Broke the top of the orb, gold. Right, we said to watch gold break the top of the orb. I just paid 4 points. Well, gold might get to a far from moving average trade. Keep our eyes on it. But what a break of the orb, huh? Anyone get the go break? Why don't we do it, guys? What's wrong with us? Jeez Louise. All right, we're going to buy the bottom of the orb and a 9 EMA in gold. 42 coming up. Try to get an early trend. You did it? Excellent. I don't mind if you... And we are at a 75 RSI, so we're not overbought yet. Still like the 15. You can get rid of this SNDU. That ain't never happening. Get rid of the 38. QQQs are dead, Scotty. Let me know if you're looking at anything, Scotty, options wise. Market's just dead flat, net. Yeah. That's right. We'll wait till after the number comes out. Bandstand, bandstand. Love to see a big rip up and get short. Free as the wind blows. As free as the grass grows. Free. Gold, we got 40, 43, and 40. Trend trade. Again, we're going to cancel everything in a couple of minutes. Let's go gold, the 15 EMA 40. See if we spike down 8 points. And again, we'll cancel all this stuff in a couple of minutes. Yes. I like the 28. We're fine. We're working with a 3 ATR. So I like 28. You gotta believe this is magic. Nothing will stand in my way. If we get 28 on this popper, guys and girls. Give this another minute. This pop, guys. Nothing can stand in your way. We give this a minute and a half. What do you got, Scotty? I don't know what that is. 1539. What is that? Oh, 78.15. Yeah, we got that out. All right. I think 28's taking too long here, guys and girls. What do you think? Yeah. All right, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait till after the news, guys. I'm not in a hurry to do anything. Everybody take a big fat freaking chill pill. Because the news could be pretty big. So chill it out. Chill it out till after the news. It's Friday. Relax. Gold, we are on Z. Z. Z-Pack. Yeah, exactly what Scotty said. Chill out. Again, this could have been a better. I would have never bought the orb break because we spiked up so far to get there. But Doesn't mean it's not going to work. How do I know it's Z? Because of the price. Yeah, I'll show you my Apex. Z. It's trading at 45.50. And we go here. And it's the right price. So guys, of course, someone lie and say you did 28, please. I had it in an eval that I left out, completely forgot about. Nice job, guys. Couple of point tabos. And what did it go? A quarter of a point above. Wah, wah, wah. Excellent. Oh yeah, 15-minute orb. I forgot about that. We're certainly not doing anything now until this news comes out. So let's get rid of everything. I do like the 15.50 if we get there fast, though. You guys like that? I like that. Make all your dreams alive for you. Let's just take a chill pill for the news, guys. Relax. Let it come out. No orders. Chill the wine, dig that girl. Chill the wine, dig that girl. It's true. Got to believe it is magic. Nothing can stand in our way. I mean, look at that chop. Chill. Will. All right, I'm gonna fill my coffee, guys. Everybody relax. You guys got a couple of trades, right? Anyone get a couple of trades? Yeah, you guys got a couple of trades. Filling up the coffee. BRB. Good. All right, guys and girls. Wow. It's going to be impossible to box this trade, guys, unless the next 5-minute bar stays copacetic. You know what I mean? It's way too big. And if you've had a good morning already, I would leave. All right, so it is, all right, we got a minute and a half for the next 5-minute bar to set up. Let's see what happens. We get a small enough bar, we'll do something. TXG, yeah, we'll look right after. Remind me after this news comes out. Make all your dreams come alive. When can we learn more about boxing a trade? Well, it's certainly in the course, and we talk about it every Tuesday and Thursday night in slow markets. All right, so this is the bar we're working on now. So let's see if we can keep this nice and tight bar. Maybe we'll try boxing it. So we want this 5-minute bar now to stay right in here with a tight range. Short a little SNDU at 25. We do not trade that fair value gaps. So this is good if we can just stay here for another 3-4 minutes. We'll put a buy stop at the top of the bar and a sell stop at the bottom of the bar. Try to get one qualified, it'll make a couple bucks. For $19. And that being said, as far as us not using those things, you use whatever works for you. Bottom line, journal it and use it. Boom, chakalaka. Make all your dreams come alive with you. So I want this to stay right here. Don't spike up or down 5 points. Right now, the box would be like, I don't know, 29 and 25. If we can stay in this range. We still got 3 minutes. And usually the minute before, sometimes this goes crazy and it takes the trade away. Make all your dreams alive with you. Have to believe this is magic. No, don't go down. Stay right here. Bounce up a little. Bounce up a little for another minute. Boo. Boo. Now we've moved the entire ATR down, guys. So if we can spike up 2-3 points in the next minute. There we go. No, these accounts are gone right now. Doesn't mean they're not coming back. I'm sure they will.
Hey Dave, consumer Michigan sentiment.
Thank you. All right, I put it in at like 28 and 23. See what happens. I'm below $19. If either of them even get hit. How about nothing? Maybe if we break the top of the orb, we're dead. What gold do? Spike up. What's the top of the orb? Yeah, top of the orb's 28. You can watch it. Again, we're not doing anything. So gold spiked up. Gold moved more than anything. You like the top of the orb in gold? 54. You guys down with that? Kind of like that. Yeah, let's do it. NGC. 54 small. Boom. Yeah, this is just deadness. Deadness, my friends. This day is over. How about that? How do you like them apples? How do you know when the day is dead? Volume is dying out. All the news that fit the print is out. And that's the name of that. And it's summertime on a Friday. So. Boom, 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 boom. Excuse me. Don't say it. You can say anything, but don't say good night tonight. Yes, the machines are off. The lights are on, but no one's home. Well, we're hanging out for a little bit. It's only 10 o'clock. It's possible, Elijah. Don't say it. Don't say it. You can say anything, but don't say good night tonight. Yes, we breaking out. Trying to. Yeah, I know we're breaking out. So top of the orb was 28. I just gave you a couple of pointavos. I don't know if anyone did it. How about we like 38 guys on a short-sided? Short-sided. Everybody good with that? Yeah. And maybe we can start looking for a trend trade now. 78.38. Let's take a look at oil. I like the 200 EMA now, guys, if we pull back. Don't say it. Don't say it. It's not a little swing trade. I'm going to post this out soon in the SNDU. I'm just messing around for now. Well, 38 is our previous day high, Kelv. I didn't look at the double top, which was 31.75, which kind of just missed anyway, right? Yeah. We're in the middle of nowhere's land, guys. You can say anything, but don't say goodnight. Made my profit for the day. Have a good weekend. Boom chakalaka. Oh, oil. I didn't look at oil. Yes, I like the 200 EMA or the VWAP in oil. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I don't think Michael Burry's doing too good with his shorts. Wow, SpaceX is down today. Huh? All right, I'll put that out in oil. Where are we? 81.70 and 81.78. So we'll go 81.75. MGC. MCL. 81.75. Don't say goodnight tonight. Gold sitting in the middle of everything. Not crazy about anything anymore. Let's get rid of that for now. Yeses. We like 22 on the buy side, guys. 200 EMA. Be down 8 points. We'll double bottom. I don't know. I'm ready to go in the pool. What do you think of them apples? All right, YouTubers, we're not going anywhere yet, but definitely sign up for our webinar, please. Next Wednesday night, even if you don't do anything. And we're extending our $4.99 sale on our ultimate course to the end of the summer. You know what that includes? Stocks, options, futures, lifetime membership, Tuesday and Thursday nights, slow markets, payment plans, boom chakalaka. Don't say it. It is, right? Well, it's 4. It's not horrible. Yeah, let's put out 20. I like 20. If we spike down 7 points, everybody all right with that? We'll do it small. 78.20. The link should be on our website. Yes. Let me check. Let me check. See. Don't say it. Don't say it. You can say anything, but don't say goodnight tonight. Give it a minute. Come on. There it is. Yeah, it's there. It's on our website. So you just go and hit register now. On the old website. We did our jobs today, guys and girls. What do you want? You know, what are we going to do? Everybody should have made money today. Yes, give me some ones. Boom chakalaka laka. Another successful YouTube. Just think about this, YouTube. And again, we don't talk about money, but we've done pretty good on YouTube. Imagine sitting in this room all day, every day. Boom chakalaka laka. can say anything, but don't say goodnight tonight. Don't say it. Don't say it. You can say anything, but don't say goodnight tonight. Yeah, we'll give it another half hour or so, and then we're getting the hell out of here and starting our weekend, baby. You want a piece of my heart? You got to start from the start. You want to be in the show? Come on, baby, let's go. Who's that, Loverboy? Yes, that is Loverboy. Everybody's working for the weekend. Oh, yes, let's look. TXG. Everybody wants a new romance. All right, let's go daily. What is this? 10 times geonomics? What is 10 times geonomics? I don't know what the hell that is. That's a great looking chart. HP. Beautiful. What's not to like? You know, I'd be taking profits, but this is a gorgeous looking chart. Yeah, that's right. Beautiful daily, beautiful weekly, had earnings, gorgeous. Again, if it's me and I'm a long-term holder. All right. And again, I don't give financial advice, but I would not be initiating a long-term position with an 85 RSI on a weekly chart. That's just me. If I'm in it long-term, I'd be taking some profits too. Absolutely. And again, that's just me. Just broke through every single level up from $6. I wish I owned it, but I don't. Look at the volume now, guys and girls. MCL hit a pivot point. Let's look. Yeah, look at that. Just missed the 65 EMA too. Gave you the, wow, gave you a twice the ATR pullback. Boom. We'll get rid of that. All right, get rid of that. All right, ESs, do we still like our bid? I don't know. Guys and girls, I'm being very honest with you, as I always have. I could care less if we trade anymore today or not. Did our jobs. Good day was had by all. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. You tonight. We're not worthy. We'll give 20 another minute, otherwise we'll cancel it. Anybody got plans for the weekend? Anything exciting? I have to go to one of my cousin's birthday parties at a brewery. Grab 2250. That was a 200 EMA. Look at that. All right, good. Nice way to end the day. Downs, a couple of points. Boom, chakalaka laka. Very nice. Boom, boom. Billy Idol with the rebel yell. I want more, more, more. It's a nice day for a white wedding, yeah. Hey, little sister shotgun. Hey, little sister, you're the only one. Hey, little sister shotgun. It's a nice day for a white wedding, yeah. LUNR. Chakalaka. Nice. Nice breakout of the daily 65 and 200 EMA, all based on earnings. You look at the packet, very attractive. Nice balance sheet. What movie, guys and girls? Hewlett Packard. Yes, very attractive. Nice balance sheet. I don't like anything, guys and girls. I'm canceling 20. I don't want to trade just to trade. First slow Friday in a while, but a profitable one. Not as great as our usual Fridays have been, but so what? We made some money. It's all right. It's all good. Reddit's up 15% today. Where we get to, Scotty? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yep.
How about we buy a 732 call now? What do you think of that?
I'd like to get something better than pre-market lows before I make that bet.
No, I'm going to do something. Vanquish. Log in. Sign in.
Yeah. It's worth the cheap risk here. Let me log in. NYSE.
Come on. There's someone trade. Dashboard. Probably just missed it. Let's see. Where is a 732 call? That was it, Scotty. You should have done it on a 200 EMA. I'm not doing anything. Don't give it a crap. But you can see, guys and girls, there's our 200 EMA. You know, we just went up 50 cents in the QQQs. I mean, that's the whole ATR right there. Now we're just sitting on the lows here. Jimmy crack corn. All right, I'm gonna go through all my charts, orders, make sure I don't have anything here. Just broke the bottom of the orb for a couple of points. There you go. Boom. Everybody's working. Anyone like 1450 real quick? This has 11. I'm down with that for sure. Call it 12-ish. We'll cheat. I'm going through all my crap, making sure I don't have any orders. Pivot point we got down there? Yes. I like vicious fib if we get that fast. Of course I am. Oh, 50. All right, let's hang out a couple minutes. Definitely like the shorts now, guys. Top of the orb, or even the 65 EMA, 30 and 65 EMA if we go in that direction. What was the low? 1625. Yeah, we'll give it another bop down, guys. And gals. Dead quiet inside day in the markets. Summer Friday. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Summer breeze. Obviously, guys, I am on micros now. I am chilling. I ain't risking more than $25 or $50. What's gold doing? Oil? Still like that pivot point in oil if we get up there. YouTube said 30 EMA on a 6,500 is 75.13. Ooh, let's take a look. I like that, YouTube. Look at that. Boom, chaka laka laka. Yep. All right, let's come up to 13 for a couple minutes. Good eyes, YouTube. These eyes longing to hold you once again. These eyes are smiling. These eyes have seen a lot of love, but they're never going to see another woman like I had her with you. These eyes. $5 off the course if anyone knows who sings that song. You took the break of the orb. Very nice, PP. Boom, chaka laka laka. You saw them Wednesday evening, Rich? Really? Nice. These eyes are smiling. These eyes have seen a lot of love, but they're never going to see another woman with a hat with you. All right, guys, let's see if we get 13 on this Nick Papadopoulos. Come on. A wheelchair concert. Oh, that's funny. But guess who? Longing to hold you once again. All right, guys, we're giving us another 2.5 minutes. Otherwise, we cancel it. We'll go to 09. 09? 09? 09? This pop down. Bum, bum. 2 minutes we give it. How low we just get? 15. We'll give it a minute and 50 seconds. Again, guys, don't risk more than freaking $10. No, $20, $30, whatever. You guys have seen a lot of love, but this pop down, guys. Oh, you just stink. All right, what do you guys think? What's the consensus? Go to 09? Yeah. Just my ass. 1150 Vish, I'm down with you. And then we got 09. We could probably do both and be fine. 13 would have been nice. We didn't get there. Would have been a nice, spicy meatball. Will ever wanna be free, my friend? No, no, no. Yeah, it would have been nice. We would have got a couple points. What we get to? What was the low? 1375. Just a bit outside, as Bob Uecker would say. We'll put out 09 anyway, just in case. 78, 10. We still got Vicious 1150. Yeah, let's give that a minute. Tell you what we can do. I'm going to do 1 at 1150 and 2 at 10 if we get there. And again, guys, I'm not risking more than a couple of bucks. And small at 1150. Try to get a point on that if we can. Boom, boom, boom. But I'm going to add at 10. And then chill pill. Got a point. 2 points. Out. Nice job, Bish. Okay. We good at 09? Let's leave that out. And this pop down. 0925. Everybody get a couple off the 1150, guys and girls? Bish. Perfect. All right. Let's hang out a couple minutes and see if we get 09 on this pop down. Let me get out of that. We're up $1. Flatten that out for now. My ass. Oh, all right, guys and girls, 09 on this pop down. Again, keeping it very tight. You too, Lizzie Liz. Oh, these eyes are smiling. What do you got? 04? Okay. Giving 09 another minute and 30 seconds. Let this 5-minute bar close. And guys and girls, I ain't risking squadoodle for the rest of the day. We don't get 09, we'll go to 05. This pop. I'll kiss my ass. I hate the little bouncy bounce, right? All right, kiss my ass. Yes, I would look for a short two, Vish. Bottom of the orb is what? 19? I'm all over that. You got 19, you got 20, you got 21, you got 22. All that stuff. Let's put out 05 for a couple of minutes. Scotty's level. Yes, 05. It's a 15-minute 200. Nice. No. Oh, yeah, there we go. Boom chocolate. That'd be a great spot. Good eye, Scotty. Asking if there's giveaways. Come Wednesday night, we're doing some giveaways. Boom chakalaka. Hey, this ended up being a good day. No complaints. 3-4 trades. 78.18 short, guys, if we get there. All right, I'm canceling that buy side. Now I'm going through all my orders and canceling everything. Boom, 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 boom. 18 on this pop. How good would 09 have been? Piece of dog crap. Let's see if we get 18 on this Papadopoulos. But of course not. What we get to Vish? 1650. All right, 21. Stop it. What about a short up at 18? Yeah, we had it. All right, guys and girls, taking a 5-minute break, leaving this order out. Then we're going to probably wrap it up. Gold finally break out, maybe break down, maybe break the bottom of the orb. And keep your eyes on it. There's no volume though in the Nebula. All the volume's gone in everything. There's just no volume in anything. Yep. All right, YouTubers, we're going to say goodbye. Another profitable week. We will be back with you guys on Monday. All right, register for the webinar. Get the course. Boom, chakalaka laka. Let's hope today is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. Let's hope this week is the worst week we ever have and next week is a better week. Green Jean says, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. We are out of here like Vladimir Overski and Mr. Outski. Everybody have a great weekend. Enjoy your families. Over and Outski.